Key mistakes to avoid when using garlic for health benefits. Are you wasting garlic's health power? Let's fix that. Think garlic is healthy? You're right. But are you actually getting its real benefits? Most people make these 5 mistakes that totally ruin garlic's power. Let's fix that today, backed by science and real nutritionists. Let's go. Mistake number 1. Cooking it too soon. Cooking garlic right after chopping it. Here's the thing. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. When you crush or chop garlic, it turns into allicin, which is a powerhouse behind most of garlic's health benefits. According to the Journal of Nutrition, allicin has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and even anti-cancer properties. But allicin needs time to develop. So if you throw garlic straight into a hot pan, poof, it's gone. Crush it, then wait 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Let nature do its thing. Mistake number 2. Using garlic supplements instead of the real thing. Supplements? Meh. While some garlic pills do contain stabilized allicin, many don't, and studies show they are often less effective. The University of Oregon's Linus Pauling Institute notes that many garlic supplements lose potency during processing. Whole, fresh garlic, always the MVP. Aim for 1 to 2 cloves daily. Mistake number 3. Eating it on an empty stomach without caution. Yes, garlic on an empty stomach can enhance benefits like gut health and immunity, but it's also super strong. Think acid reflux, nausea, or burning. Start small, half a clove, and pair it with something fatty like olive oil to ease digestion. Try it in a morning toast with avocado. Delicious and effective. Mistake number 4. Not crushing or chopping it. Whole garlic cloves in soups or roasts may taste good, but health-wise, you're missing out. Allicin only forms when garlic cellular walls are broken. No crushing equals no magic. Always crush or finely chop garlic before use, even if you're roasting it whole later. Mistake number 5. Not pairing garlic with the right foods. Want garlic to hit even harder? Pair it with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, and foods rich in vitamin C like lemon juice or red peppers. Combining garlic with vitamin C and healthy fats enhances its absorption.
Now you know the
5
biggest
biggest
garlic
garlic mistakes.
It's the perfect
and how
excuse
to
to make a
avoid
garlicky
garlicky
chemistry or
Health
hummus.
isn't just what you eat, it's how you eat it. If you learn something new, smash that like button, share this with a garlic-loving friend, and comment below, do you eat garlic raw or cooked? And if you want more science-backed health hacks that actually work, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you next time.